Welcome back mga ka-DE. Again, we are here for another differential equation video tutorial. This time, we will continue solving differential equation using the method for exact differential or non-exact differential equation. For our third example, we have y times x plus y dx plus x plus 2y minus 1 dy is equivalent to 0. So first we test for exactness. But first we simplify the equation yx plus y, that is x y plus y squared dx plus x plus 2y, just copy the equation, minus 1 dy is equivalent to 0. Then we get the partial derivative of m with respect to y, that is with respect to y meaning x is constant. Since may katabi siyang y, the derivative of y is 1, so we have x. Derivative of y squared is 2y, so we have x plus 2y. So partial derivative of n with respect to x, this time the derivative of x is simply 1. Then derivative of 2y with respect to x, again 2y is constant, so we know that the derivative of constant is simply 0. Same as the derivative of negative 1 is 0. So since they are not equal, therefore the equation is non-exact. So we get the difference. X plus 2y minus 1 is our value of r. So we check if our r over n or f of x or r over m or function of y alone. So if we check x plus 2y minus 1 divided by xy plus y squared, so hindi natin siya masisimplify in terms of function of y alone. Therefore, cannot use the equation in solving for integrating factor using this function. So we'll check this one. So x plus 2y minus 1, our value of n is x plus 2y minus 1 equals to f of, sorry. So we just copy the value of r, then copy the value of n, f of x. So our f of x is equivalent to 1. So pwede siya since that is function of x alone. Diba? It can be written also as x raised to 0. But we'll use the value of 1. So that's function of x alone. So the formula is b for integrating factor. E, integral ng f of x is 1 times dx. So that is ex. So that's our integrating factor. Our integrating factor multiplied by our original equation. So the original equation is xy plus y squared dx plus x plus 2y minus 1 dy is equivalent to 0. We just multiply our integrating factor to our original equation. So this is x ex y plus y squared ex dx plus x ex plus 2y ex minus ex dy is equivalent to 0. Then we get or we test for exactness if our equation is already exact or if we get the proper integrating factor. So again, we get the partial derivative of n with respect to y. So with respect to y, this is my. With respect to y, meaning this is constant. The derivative of y is 1. So 1 times constant, that's x ex. Y squared, that is derivative of y squared is 2y. This is constant. We just copy the constant times the derivative of y squared, which is 2y. It's plus 2y ex. For the second one, n with respect to x. So x ex is product, derivative of product. So x times derivative of ex is ex plus ex derivative of 1 o x sorry of x is 1. Next, second term plus 2y ex. So ex derivative of ex is ex. This is constant, so we just multiply the constant to its derivative, 2y ex. Derivative of ex is minus ex. So ex minus ex is cancelled out. Therefore, we have x plus, x ex plus 2y ex. Therefore, we get the correct integrating factor since these two are equal. So, to continue, so kailangan nating ma-solve na yung kanyang solution. So, we need first to get the di and ndi from our equation. So, ano ba yung mga di? Ano yung ndi? So, first di, then ndi. So, obviously, x, e, x, y is ndi since we have two variables, x and y. So, x, e, x, y. Same in the second equation, we have y, we have x. So, this is also non-direct integrable. For second equation, x, e, x, dy is not direct integrable also. So, we have x, e, x plus y to ex also not direct since we have dy. So dy ex same as the last term which is ex minus ex dy is equivalent to 0 or that is our non-direct integrable. So okay lang naman na wala tayong direct integrable. So in our equation we have non-direct integrable. So pipili lang tayo sa dalawa. Kaya lang kung mapansin natin x ex pag in-integrate natin to gagamit pa tayo ng integration by parts. On the other hand, ito, mas madali ito kasi constant naman ito tapos naka-dy. So, piliin na lang natin tong case na to. Integral ng x ex plus 2y ex minus ex times dy. Simplify lang natin. So, this is constant. We just copy constant. X ex. And the integral of dy is y plus 2y dy. So again, 2ex is constant. Just copy the constant. And the derivative of y or the integral of y dy is y squared over 2. Last, we have negative ex dy. That is simply negative y ex is equivalent to c. So this will be cancelled out. We can factor ex. So we have xy plus y squared minus y is equivalent to c. We can multiply both sides by e to the negative x. Para nasa kabila na siya. So we have xy plus y squared minus y is equivalent to c e negative x. So that's the solution for our number 3. Thank you and see you in the next video.